Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cold brew coffee that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Bizzy Organic Cold Brew Coffee. For a hassle-free, no cleanup, coming in clutch, delicious cold brew coffee, we've chosen the Bizzy Organic Cold Brew Coffee Pitcher Packs. The Arabica beans are medium roasted for a sweet, nutty flavor profile. Bizzy's beans are USDA organic certified and ethically sourced from Guatemala, Peru, and Nicaragua. Bizzy, of course, grinds the beans, then packages them into 12 individual brewing packs per bag. Each batch of cold brew calls for 2 pitcher packs for every 4 cups of water. For a potent cold brew concentrate, allow the packs steep for 14 to 20 hours. You either can cut the concentrate directly by pouring water into the pitcher, or as you refill your coffee mug each morning. Our in-house tester got the chance to try out the Bizzy Coffee Pitcher Packs for herself and was happy to report on the coffee's smooth and sweet flavor. Lucky her. Read her in-depth review here. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SToK Not Too Sweet Cold Brew Coffee. The only time I've had SToK Not Too Sweet Cold Brew Coffee, I remember I had 2 glasses. It is too delicious for my own good. Safe to say, I spent the rest of the day and a good portion of the evening extremely aware and awake. But after chugging the first glass with ice and whipped cream, I couldn't say no to another. The whipped cream slowly dissipates throughout the cold brew, adding a velvety finish to the slightly sweet, bold flavor. To create Not Too Sweet, SToK steeps the Arabica coffee beans for 10 hours, giving the brew a smooth flavor, absent the bitterness that accompanies hot brewing methods. SToK does add cane sugar, but not enough to throw off the balanced profile. At number 3, we have the High Brew Cold Brew Coffee. Every Monday morning, I drag my ass out of bed at 4 a.m. and head to the local climbing gym for my weekly shift. In trade, I get a membership. Easy enough. Brewing coffee or doing anything other than reaching into the fridge for an instant coffee is out of the question that early. And usually I'm going for a High Brew Cold Brew Coffee. Of course I'm biased, based in Austin, Texas, where High Brew originated and dominates corner stores. But I can't help but marvel at the direct trade partnership High Brew has with a Colombian co-op. The co-op comprises 3,600 farmers, with female farmers counting for a third of that number. The High Brew Dark Chocolate Mocha Cold Brew Coffee is a bold, savory treat. Although, at 8 ounces per can, the pleasure is gone too soon. The beans are fair trade, 100% Colombian Arabica with added sugars and milk for a smooth finish. At number 2, we have the Stone Street Cold Brew Coffee Reserve. Specialty coffee roaster Stone Street Coffee Company from Brooklyn, New York, caught our attention with its Cold Brew Reserve coffee. The small batch roasting operation is deeply knowledgeable about various developing regions and takes pride in cultivating intimate partnerships with its coffee farmers. And Stone Street produces some damn good coffee. The darkly roasted 100% Colombian Supremo beans offer a smooth, rounded glass of cold brew. Like most cold brews, the Cold Brew Reserve is less acidic than your cozy Sunday morning brew. For a lasting aroma and flavor profile, Stone Street uses natural craft bags fitted with one-way degassing valves. The coarsely ground beans come in 1 pound, 2 pound, or 5 pound bags. And on a cold morning, the Cold Brew Reserve can substitute your usual French press beans in a pinch. Ideal for any coffee lover out there. And finally, at number 1, we have the Starbucks Cold Brew Coffee Pitcher Packs. Signature Black. You can't get away from the infamous coffee giant, Starbucks. You might adamantly support local coffee houses and small batch roasters, but for those cruel early morning flights when you need coffee, Starbucks will be there with everything. And that includes cold brew that you can make at home. Just have the foresight to make it the day before your flight. The Starbucks Cold Brew Coffee Signature Black Pitcher Packs won't let you down. The subtle chocolate taste will have you sitting down in your window seat with a content smile on your face. Cold steeping 2 pitcher packs in for 20 to 24 hours will provide you with 7 days worth of Starbucks cold brew. To get more bang for your buck, pick up 3 boxes containing 4 cold brew pitcher packs each. For more tasty options like this, check out our selection of the best decaf coffee. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.